Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add shared folder or mailbox to the Outlook desktop app. So let's get started. So first of all, you gotta add another email to your Outlook. To do that, you gotta click on this gear icon over here and then you gotta click on add account. Here, you gotta simply tap down the email of the account that you wish to add. And once you have added that and connected successfully, you'll be able to see that account over here as well. So what you gotta do is simply click on any of the folder over here and then you'll be able to see the folder permissions. So if you have multiple accounts, you'll be able to see that account listed over here as well. So you gotta simply open the folder permissions and grant access to that account. Or you can also view all of the emails within the same folder of both of the accounts. So if you don't have this permission, that means that you need to ask admin to grant full access or restart Outlook after permission is given, and make sure you're using Exchange or Microsoft 365 account. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.